Hello, this is Chad McMahon with Protect with Insurance, and the quick question of today is what is final expense life insurance? The short version is final expense life insurance is usually it's a whole life policy. So generally it's going to be anywhere from $5 to $40,000. Usually you're going to see more like $5, 10, or $15,000 of whole life coverage. And it's a whole life policy that takes care of those final expenses. When we pass away, it costs money. That's awful. It's hard enough losing loved ones, but then you've got bills as well. So it's going to be cremation costs, burial costs, other bills that were left unpaid, travel costs for people coming out to service, the actual service itself. Income replacement is usually not part of it, but it can be. So in a short version, that is the final expense. Now, cremation costs, they vary. They're all across the board. Nowadays, closer to about $3,000, but it's recommended for cremation that you get a $5,000 policy. If all you want is covered is cremation, it's recommended you get a $5,000 policy. In a lot of cases, people get $7,000, $8,000, $10,000 policies just for cremation because they know that for cremation plus the service plus other miscellaneous small bills, that it quickly adds up to there, and they want to make sure that there's a buffer. And when you think about things like inflation costs, you want to cover more than just what does it cost today. You want to assume you're going to be around for at least a few years. That's the hope. So you want to make sure that you're planning ahead for inflation as well. Burial is quite a bit more expensive. If you've ever looked into it, it can easily be $15,000. I've had plenty of clients that tell me that based on their research, they're looking at $20,000, $25,000. That seems a little high to me, but typically it's 15 to 17 grand is where it starts for burial. So you want to make sure you have a plan that's sufficient enough to cover those things. If your burial's not already covered, if you're a veteran, it might already be covered, but you need to always look into that and verify that that is the case. Sometimes it is, sometimes it's not. Same thing goes for cremation. So I hope this was helpful. Click on the link below. I'll be happy to give you a free consultation or answer any other questions or needs that you have. I'll be happy to take care of you. All right, you take care. Stay safe out there. Bye.